Welcome to video lecture series on digital image processing. I am Kanakadurga from St. Peter's Engineering College, working as an associate professor in EC department. I am going to discuss on image restoration process. So content outline, what are the topics we are going to discuss in this talk are image restoration, noise models, block diagram of image restoration process, equations, and simplified model of image restoration process. Image restoration. So why we had to go for image restoration? What is the use of it? Even though we have so many techniques of image enhancements, all these kinds of has been there, why you are concentrating for image restoration? So normally in the communication process, mainly it comes with respect to satellite of the communication we will discuss. We are going to having a sender at the top and the receiving session, and we will have a medium. So what we will do, the sender will send the image, but in the medium some external values or external parameters are going to be added with respect to an image, nothing but I plus n. So in this, the image, whatever the characteristics of the image has been there, it going to lose their characteristics. Almost all the characteristics of the image has been lost. When we are going to receive at the receiving session, we cannot able to understand the image. We cannot able to understand the image. Once if you are not able to understand this type of image, what we can do, we cannot able to find out nothing but the image has been degraded. So what is the technical term for this is image degraded. So how the image has been degraded? When I am sending the image through the medium, some of the external parameters has been added up. So with respect to that, the image characteristics has been lost. The lost of the characteristics of the image, we are going to call it as a degraded model or a degradation process. Okay, the characteristics of the image has been lost. What we can do, if you observe this degraded image, we cannot able to find the information or the image characteristics. What we have to do, we have to apply the inverse process. Like the noise has been added, we have to apply the inverse process for this in order to get back the characteristics of the image. We have to get back the characteristics of the image. So that type we are going to call it as a restoration process. What we are doing, we are restoring the characteristics of the image. So that technique we are going to call it as a restoration process. So mainly we have to remember in this, we have to restore whatever the characteristics has been lost by the image. We have to restore the characteristics of the image. That's why it is going to be called as a restoration process. But when it comes to the enhancement, in the enhancement process, the characteristics will not totally lost. We are going to boost up their characteristics. That's why it will be called as the enhancement process. So restoration process is mainly with respect to a objective oriented process, not with respect to the subjective. It mainly concentrates on objective process. So image restoration, in this we are going to apply the reverse process across with respect to the receiver. For that, then only we can able to restore the image. How we are going to apply the reverse process? First of all, we have to know how the image has been degraded at the transmitting or in the medium. Once we are able to know what is the model has been the image has undergone for the degradation section, then only we can able to apply the reverse process of degradation model in the receiving session, so that we can able to restore the image. So mainly in this, we have to go for Analysis of degradation estimation. So mathematical models of estimation of degradation is very important in the restoration process. So when we are going to estimate that on of the noise models, or how the image has been degraded, then only we can able to restore the image, otherwise it cannot be possible. So what are the noise models? Mainly the sources of noise in the digital images during in the acquisition, or with respect to the motion, or with respect to the transmission, or not properly focusing the conditions like camera. So many things has been there for the noisy of the image models. So in this, image sensors are not working properly, and the temperature conditions across the atmosphere is not proper. Due to that also, the image are not going to be in a proper format for perception levels. If they are not in for the perception levels, they are the degraded images. We are going to apply the technique, and we are going to do the analysis how it has been degraded, and we are going to apply the reverse process on it. So when you are going to transmit the images through the medium also, sometimes the images are going to be heated by some type of a signals. So when they are going to be heated by the other type of a signals, it going to be lost their characteristics. This type we are going to call it as a interference noise. So there are going to be so many noise models for the images has been there. So once we able to know those image models only, we can able to estimate those models with respect to the mathematical equations, and we can able to apply the reverse process of those equations at cross with respect to the receiving session. Then only we can restore the image, otherwise it cannot be possible. So the noise models also very important for estimation purpose in the restoration process. Then only we can able to restore the image. So the noise models are can be any types, like camera has not focused properly, or nature conditions has been not good, like ambiguous conditions, and interference when we are sending so many. So this is a image degradation or restoration model. Observe, this is a block diagram. In this block diagram, we are considering an input image f of x comma y. This input image f of x comma y has been degraded. How it has been degraded? With respect to some functionality, or with respect to some parameters, or with respect to not camera properly focusing, any type. So depending upon that, this function of the image, the characteristics of the image has been lost. We are assuming that functionality of the function has been h. Once we are going to be processed it with respect to the degradation model of with respect to h. So in this, the input of image h f of x comma y has been passed with the h of the degradation function. So in the meanwhile, in the medium, they can have the noise of addition. Okay, so that with some type of the parameters are going to be added with respect to the noise also in the medium session. Okay, if the camera has been not properly focused, so image going to be blurred. That blurred image I am going to send through the medium by adding the salt pepper noise in the medium has been there. Nothing but here there are the two parameters for degradation of the image. One is camera is not properly focused. Second one is adding of salt pepper noise. So this is totally undergoes for the degrade of image. So I have to restore that. So in order to restore that image, what I have to know, I should have the knowledge on the functionality of this. Okay, when I able to know that h of a process and the noise of the process, I can apply the reverse process on it of the image, so that I can get back the original estimated image. So in this, mainly we have to know what is the degradation function, and what is the mathematical equation of the noise. So it gives us g of x comma y, nothing but a degraded image. That degraded image we are going to be followed with respect to the reverse process of degradation function, and the reverse of addition of the noise we are going to remove through the restoration process. Once it has been removing these two conditions, we are going to get the original image or an estimated image. So what are the equations over in this? We already observed the function of the degradation model is h of x comma y, and f of x comma y is the original image. So what will be the g of x comma y in this? The g of x comma y is equivalent to f of x comma y convolved with h of x comma y. So in this, g of x comma y is equivalent to h of x comma y convolved with f of x comma y, and it's going to be added with respect to the noise also. So here the noise has been added of n of x comma y. So in this, g of x comma y is equivalent to h of x comma y convolved with f of x comma y adding of n of x comma y. So this is with respect to the spatial domain parameters. If I am going to convert them into the frequency domain, how it goes for an alternative equation when I am converting from time domain to frequency domain. So when the time domain to frequency domain has been there, the degraded image of g of u comma v is equivalent to h of u comma v. Convolution will be changes to the multiplication. So multiplied with f of u comma v plus n of u comma v, where x has been replaced with the frequency domain with respect to the u variable, and y has been replaced with the v variable in the frequency domain. So what we are doing mainly, we are applying for this equation, I am going to convert into frequency domain either by applying the Fourier series or Fourier transform. I am assuming that I am applying the Fourier transform on the equation. So it will use us in frequency domain, where h is the we have to remember where h is the degraded function. When we have the knowledge on the degradation function only, then only we can estimate the degraded image. Once we can able to estimate the degraded image, what are the parameters in it, we can apply the reverse process in the restoration so that we can get back the image. Otherwise it cannot be possible. So in this we have to remember mainly the degraded image equation is g of x comma y. This is in the spatial domain. G of x comma y is equivalent to h of x comma y convolved with f of x comma y plus n of x comma y. So since the function has been passed, the image has been passed with respect to the block of degraded model, that's why they are going to be having the convolution property. So once it is there for the convolution in the time domain, it will be converted to multiplication in the frequency domain. So what is the equation for degradation degraded image in the frequency domain is g of u comma v is equals to h of u comma v multiplied with f of u comma v plus n of u comma v. Here we assume h is an identity operator such as to discuss the degradation of due to the noisy models. So this is a simplified model can be represented with the degraded image of estimation. Just we are going to take it out image f of x comma y and the function h. What is the h represents? The degraded function of h, and this is the symbol for additive. Plus indicates that additive. So addition of the noise, what is the noise? N of x comma y. It going to give us the degraded image. Once the degraded image has been estimated, we can able to apply the restoration process in order to get back the images. So in this, how, what are the parameters can be able to have with respect to degradation is like bad focusing, not motion proper, nothing but when the camera is in the motion, we are going to take out the pictures, or like some of the parameters, sensors are not working properly at the time, when the light focusing is not good, we are taking the images. All these comes under the disturbances, or like external condition parameters, such a way that we cannot have the proper image. So how we can overcome that, even though we had taken the photograph at that time, but I want to get back like the characteristics of the original image, how it looked like originally. And so we have to go for the restoration process. How we can go for the restoration process? We have to know how, why the image has been looking like this, nothing but what is the parameters has been affected, like when I have taken the photograph in the motion, or when I have taken the not properly focused lens, or all these parameters we have to see, nothing but we are estimating the degradation model. Once we have estimated the degradation model over in this, like what type of the noise has been added, all these things, once we overcome that, then we can able to estimate the degradation function, so that we can apply the reverse process in restoration model. So one example on this is, normally all the people we have saw, like we have taken a photograph in 90s, like 1990. I have saved that photograph for longer time, for my purpose. So once I have opened that photograph in 2020 or 2010, if you look at the photograph, at that time the photograph has been with the color like pinkish color, whatever the dress color you have wear, like red color, it has been, the red color has been very nice. But after long time, if you observe that photograph, we cannot see that the color of the dress is not going to be red, it goes for like brown or black. The color of the dress has been changed in your photograph. This type is also one type of degraded of the image. How it has been degraded? Due to the external temperature conditions or atmosphere. In the atmosphere there are going to be so many chemical components which are going to be affect the photograph. Once it has been affecting the photograph with respect to the external parameters like moisture and like nitrogen, all these things parameter, all these chemicals are going to be applied on that image, so that the color of the photograph is going to be degraded a lot. So when you are going to look at 2020 of 1990 photograph, if you cannot able to find the color of the dress has been red, so what we have to do, we have to do the analysis on that photograph, and I have to why it has been changed the color, like either the parameters like moisture, or the parameter with respect to nitrogen, or with respect to the temperature conditions, why, what are the parameters has been affected on this image, we have to do the estimation on it. Once we can do the estimation on it, we can go for the restoration process. In the reverse process we can apply it, and we can get back the original image restoration process, so that the color of the dress going to be reddish color only. So the references of with respect to the Gonal John Rhodes and with respect to William John Willey, these are the two books I have referred for image restoration model. Thank you.